Interact Pro comes with a portal and an app. In order to start using the system, one needs to register himself or, alternatively, be invited with a defined role into the system. When you register yourself, you become a new service provider, a role that allows you to start creating and preparing projects and assign new users in specific roles to that project. Here, we show you how to register yourself as a service provider using the portal. Fire up a browser and go to the following website, https://sme.interact-lighting.com. Fill in the mandatory items to register yourself like company name, location, and email address. Click Request and you will receive a registration email from the system. Click the link and fill in some details related to the email account like password and name. Once this is done, the system confirms that an account is created. Now that I have created an account, I can use these details to log in to the Interact Pro portal. You will see that I have an empty project list. I am going to create a new project called HTC 48 Ceiling and specify the project type as Other. I could also select one of the standard types like Office. I also specify the address and the country where the project is located and click Save. You will now see that I have a project named HTC 48 Ceiling with a status set to Preparation. Clicking User Management, I can start inviting other persons into the project. As we need a person that is authorized to commission the project, we are going to invite an installer by clicking Invite New Installer. In this case, the service provider hasn't assigned any installers in his organization yet, so we select the option to invite an installer by email. Enter the requested data and proceed. In the window, you will see that the installer is listed as pending until he accepts the invitation. Now we are switching to the other person, the installer. You see the email invite, and he clicks the link to accept his role as an installer. Enter password and name, and proceed. After signing up, the installer can also log in to the portal. You log in and you already see the project that has been assigned to you. You also notice that as an installer, you have more options in the portal. One of them is to be able to prepare a project before you go on site. Select Installation Setup. You can now create groups within the project. Groups are entities that can be controlled by an app, sensor, or switch, typically a physical room. For this project, we create two groups, panels and downlights. We could also subdivide a group further into zones.